Recently, at the U.S. Capitol in Washington, D.C., the American Chemistry Council launched its ambitious advocacy and awareness campaign called From Chemistry to Energy.
And so the story here is, if we really are motivated as a country to adopt an aggressive domestic and a comprehensive domestic energy policy, we can replicate not only what we're seeing happen in the U.S. chemical industry because of the production of shale gas. If we fully commit ourselves to develop all of our energy sources in the United States, be they our traditional fossil fuels, oil, natural gas, nuclear, we move into the alternatives and the renewables that also can play an important role in our future energy demands. By taking this comprehensive approach, this all of the above approach, we can provide for domestic energy security, but more importantly, sustained economic security.
Joining ACC's president and CEO Cal Dooley during the announcement was a bipartisan group of lawmakers, featuring Senator Chris Coons of Delaware and Congressman Ed Whitfield of Kentucky.
In my view, energy and innovation are absolutely critical pillars of the American economy, and chemistry can and should be at the center of how we drive innovation in these areas of our economy. It's been pointed out that this is a bipartisan event, and that today's event demonstrates opportunities for us to come together. Energy has been something that has divided the parties and has divided our country, but energy can and should be something where we find common sense, common ground solutions. In my view, Congress can and should work in close partnership with the private sector to find ways to do the things that need to be done to make our country more competitive.
We have a lot of challenges before us in energy. It certainly is one of the most important issues that we have, because if we're going to remain competitive in the global marketplace, we are going to have safe, affordable, reliable, and abundant energy.
Underscoring the importance of the Chemistry to Energy campaign was the presence at the kickoff event of two industry leaders.
Suppliers in our industry are innovators, and we could play a central role in meeting energy needs while creating high-paying jobs in the process. DuPont is contributing in many ways to a secure and sustainable energy future. We have 35,000 employees here in North America at 60 U.S. manufacturing sites. Many of those sites are involved and contribute to production in the area of renewable energy, energy efficiency.
We can take great advantage of this in our industry and all manufacturing in America. We can support new manufacturing capacity here in the U.S., and that means high-paying jobs, as Cal mentioned. It means economic growth. It means competitive exports. Chemicals were the #1 exports in the United States. It can be again. And it means prosperity for years to come.
On the day of the campaign kickoff, the ACC also launched a website to get more information, like a national poll conducted, which says more than 9 in 10 Americans support a comprehensive, all-in strategy when it comes to energy.
And we know there's public support for this. 94% of Americans in a recent poll that was done saying we need to have a comprehensive domestic energy policy. You know, this is something that even in this difficult political environment we find ourselves in, it's important for the American Chemistry Councils and others to contribute to creating a political environment that allows for bipartisan support for a common sense agenda.
For more information on the campaign, please go to www.chemistrytoenergy.com.